Well, the south side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. And if you go down there, you better just beware of a man called Leroy Brown. Well, Leroy, more than trouble. You see, you stand about 6'4". All the downtown ladies call him treetop lover, and the men just call him sir. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Now Leroy, he a gambler, and he like his fancy clothes, and he like to wear his diamond rings in front of everybody's nose. You got a Lincoln Continental, you got an Eldorado too, you got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun, and a razor in his shoe. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, Leroy, about a week ago, Leroy shooting dice, and at the edge of the bar sat a girl named Doris, and ooh, that girl looked nice. Well, he cast his eyes upon her, and the trouble soon began. And Leroy Brown learned a lesson about messing with the wife of a jealous man. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, the two men took to fighting, and when they pulled them from the floor, Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle with a couple of pieces gone. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Curtains through and a new day starts, and I see a change in my life, and I'm not alone when I'm strong inside, and I realize everybody's got a reason to welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.